So here's a quick view of my module, remote starter, and the T-harness for my 2014 Honda, and what I will be doing tomorrow, and where I'll show you guys where I'll be plugging it in, how to take the car apart. But this is showing where everything needs to be connected on the car itself. So now I'm going to be hooking up my T-harness into my car. This is a 2014 Honda Civic automatic. You guys can see. So I'm going to be taking this covers on the steering wheel off, this top cover, this bottom cover here, that kick panel right there, driver's side kick panel, and this bar that runs along right here. And I gotta access the lock-unlock negative cables that are down there, and the ignition harness, the ignition key barrel, the immobilizer connector, and parking light sensor, which is all in the steering wheel. So the tools you basically need is a cutter, wire cutter, a Phillips, a flathead, wire plier, small plastic tool to take the panels off, a flashlight, these connectors to connect the 4 wires that I'm going to be cutting into the car. So first thing you gotta do is take this panel off right here. And then I've already done this, as you guys can see, but I'll show it to you guys again. And there's a Phillips screw that's holding this panel down, so you gotta take that out from right there, unscrew it, and then you start by applying. There's 3 pins that are holding this down here, one here, one in the middle, one at the end. Once you get those, you gotta wiggle it around a little bit, pull it this way, and then pull straight up, and then the trunk release has to, it's going to open your trunk open, but it's okay. And as you guys can see, there are the 3 yellow pins that were holding it down, right here, and there's 3 down there, but you can just pull it straight up, and it will pop out, because none of those came out when I tried to do it. So after you have that out, you gotta do the kick panel, and there is a clip right there that you gotta take out, as you guys can see. I gotta put the camera down. But there's a clip right there, and there's a pin into the body right here that you gotta pull out. So I couldn't get one of the pins to come out, but this slides out of the way, so that's fine. Next thing you gotta do is take this panel off here, and this is held together by 9 clips. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 on this side. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So I'll record again once I'm done taking that apart. So I have this off, and there's a connector here. And once you have that off, this is connected to the other side. So you gotta keep going. So I got the panel off. As you guys can see, it's all together by 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 clips to the body. So after you have that bottom panel off, you gotta turn the steering wheel 90 degrees and look right there, and you just slide your clip screwdriver in there, and it just unclicks from there. I already did it, so it's not. And you do it 180 degrees to the other side, and then you put it in there, and it comes right up. And then you pull it up, and you're able to take that top cover off. And then there should be 2 Phillips screws right there. And they look like this. One on each side, one right there, and the other in that hole right there. Once you take that off, you gotta go underneath. And if you look, there's another hole right here, and that's holding another Phillips screw, which looks like this. And that will basically make this loose. So you gotta turn the car on. So you're done with this game here. And just pry this off, pull it off. Both sides. And it comes right off. Now I have access to all the harnesses on the car that I am not going to cut into since I'm using a T-harness. They're basically plugged right in. I will have to cut into the horn, the parking lights one, and the lock unlock, which are down there. Shouldn't be that bad. After taking the panels apart, come down here. You guys can see this is the ignition key barrel, and I am going to be taking this harness off. And the orange in there is for the horn that I have to connect to my module. And then this is the immobilizer connector. This is where my T harness will connect into. And on this side, this is the main harness, the ignition harness right here that I need to take off. I'll show you guys how to take that off in a minute. And here is the light control switch right here that I need to take off and connect one of my wires for the parking lights. So in order to take off this ignition harness, all you do is push this tab in and pull this piece out, and that just disconnects from there. But move it around. And all you do is just move it around and pull it back out, and it comes right out. So you guys can see it's moving. And I'm going to put the phone down while I do this. I'm going to disconnect all these and bring my T-harness in and start connecting the wires to it. All you do is just push these tabs in and pull the